Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the weekend weekly recap. So let's get started. Um, a fairly good week. Volatility is coming back a little bit. So week started around 25th, I guess, right? So this is the first trade. Euro Aussie on the 25th, May 25th. Game started here. Nice short setup by the book. Well, I forgot to mark here. And then the same day on the 25th, this one pound Aussie. When Aussie moves, all the Aussie pairs move at the same time. So that's why. And pound yen, we were expecting this on a 40-minute chart. I made the chart a harmonic pattern. We're supposed to go up, and it did. And I jump on it. The first entry and the second entry. First entry was 130 pip from here to here. This is a 7-minute chart, by the way. And the second entry, I made it here. Nice, beautiful entry, and 115 pip. Altogether, it's like 245 pip. And that was on the 26th. Oh yeah, this was the chart. This was the culprit here. I made this chart over the weekend and gave it to my subscribers as well on the 24th. That this is what's going to happen from here. We're going to go, and I think that I have the final chart of this one as well. Not this one. We went straight up, right? These were my entries, and as of today, Friday, we are here. So a little more, and then this pattern will finish. Even if it's not, I have several trades. I'll still have a trade open, which I left open for the weekend. Yeah. All right. So now here, Aussie USD 26th on the 26th by order here by the book, right? Not by the book exactly, because the yellow line was a little bit below the black, and it's it should be above it. So it was it's a little bit is okay as long as you know what's happening. So I knew that the Aussie is gonna get strong, so that's what happened. Now because again Aussie was getting strong, so Aussie on the right hand side, those pair will go down, and it did. Euro Aussie on the 26th, beautiful entry here all the way to 160 pip. And pound Aussie at the same time also. Let's start dropping here. Not pound Aussie, pound Aussie, right? 75 pip here. And then this is a small one. Pound Aussie on the 26th. This was an entry, and this was a second trade was setting up here. And this is Euro Yen. Because the Euro was getting strong a little bit, going to the upside, Euro index. So all these Euro, and then at the same time, Yen was getting weaker. So I have several trades in Euro Yen. I have this one. Then again, it gave me this one. Well, let's go and take a look. And then Euro USD. It is also because of the Euro. Euro was getting strong. So Euro Yen, Euro USD went up again. The next day on the 20th, Euro USD long again. And on the 20th, this is Aussie Yen, by the way, because Aussie was getting strong and Yen was getting weaker. So 60 pip here. And then on the 20th again, Euro Yen. Remember I told you that this one, and then this one, and then another one is gonna come out. Now this one is pound USD, 28th May 28th, and this was also expected. Pound supposed to get strong a little bit, and these are from the 7-minute chart, multiple entries. You can see as soon as it start going up. This was a by the book entry, and then so I was showing that when you have a 40-minute setup, this is what you can do from the 7-minute chart. You can take multiple entries, and at the same time, pound yen was, I just showed you the chart, the weekly, right? Not weekly, the 40-minute chart, butterfly pattern, right? So again, 7-minute chart, entry here. First entry is 60, the other one 40, adds up to 100, right? Nice trades. And then this is the one on the 29th as of today, on Friday. Beautiful entry here. And by the book, when it was bearish here, boom, something happens. Obviously the news, so the fundy. Then it became bullish. Yellow became, went above the black. And beautiful entry here, all the way to 100. I mean, it was much higher, but it came down here. And when I, at the time of recording the chart, was right here. From here to here is 120, 120 pips. And again, like I said, euro yen was keep going up. So this was the first trade, that was the second one, and this is the third one today, 115, because of the euro. And I said it, you see, even on the Telegram, if you notice that here, see, I said euro index is going for 2901. So EU, EJ, and EA likely go up. Let's see. And they start going up, and then as I start taking the entries. And see 2901, the euro index. Let me show it to you. 2901 on the euro index. I have it open here. You see the euro index 2901 is this area. So this candle was going to the upside, and these are the highs and the lows. That's why I have it marked, because they go from one number, the price goes from one number to another. Right? Once you learn that, it becomes very easy. And look how neat and clean this thing went and hit the 2901, and the reversal candle happened. So that was the target. It went there, dropped exactly at 2613. If you go take a look where the 2613 is, you will find it very easy, 2613 right there. So we went above, we came back, found support here, and then straight to 2901. First 2817, drop a little bit, and then go in 2901. 2817 is where? Right there. It's not even, well, this was 2817, by the way. This white line here. So it didn't drop from here. It just broke it and then went up to 2901. Now it's dropping, right? So this is how it is. If once you learn, it becomes very easy. You can see that, you know, which number it has broken already, and we went above this number, then the next number. And we break that number, then the next number, right? And we start dropping, then, you know, the next number to the downside. It's like that. So I think all of those charts. Let me see if I have it. And yeah, I have the okay, pound yen today. Again, small, but yeah, you know, Friday is like that. So there's another one, and there was a euro. Okay, euro Aussie. This is the one I have it, but what happened to this one was it came and hit my SL. So I was sitting on a break even, so it hit my SL. Didn't go. It went up later on, but I didn't take that one. So you know, for Friday, I'm done. Is enough. So, but this one got bad. You know, not bad, but I mean, you know, my SL was hit for maybe 5 or 10 pip profit. That's all. And what else? What else? Okay, my analysis. I'm not gonna show all the charts, but just one, for example, like USDX, right? USDX monthly chart. When it was here, powerful bullish candle, and I said, no, 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 it's gonna make a turn and come down now, while it was going to the upside, because of the pattern recognition. That's all. So what happened to this chart? As of today, it is here. You see that? Once you know these things, and I don't have only the USDX, but you know, euro index, pound index, yen index, Aussie index. I have charts made up, all of those. For example, this one, if I go and show you pound index, for example, and I know exactly what the pound is doing, and if it's gonna get strong or weak, and we can play accordingly. See the pound, it drops here, and this is a nice big support, which is 50 to 60. This is where it is messing around, sitting, and 50 to 60 right there. It bounced from there, 55, 53, came down here, 59.96, 52.96, then went back up over there, then came back to 52.96, then we went back up. This is like a ping pong happening right now. What do we call this? This is, we call a range, right? So again, we went up there, 55, 53, and then drop here, and then start to go up. Now we're not coming back to 50 to 60. So starting to go up means maybe it will go somewhere there, right? So if that happens, I'm going to watch the 20-minute for going bullish. And then if that happens, now I know that pound is getting strong. So pound Aussie will go up, pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound USD, pound yen. All of those pairs has a chance to go up, and then I will only look for long in those setups. That's the idea. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how the system works and how I'm doing all this. So if you are interested, you want to take take more information, or get a hold of this system and start learning how to do it, then just go on my website. Here's the name, myforex.com. Subscribe. You have a weekend right now, right? So you can get the system, set up your charts, and get going from Monday. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful week.